Hi everyone, it's Tammy with Cabana State of Mind, and today I am sharing my review of the Style Selections laminate flooring, which we just laid through our entire house. So here we go. This project is still a work in progress, but for the most part, the floor aspect is done. You can see I've still got my quarter round molding here. He was waiting to go in, but the floor install itself is done. This is our living room, and overall, I am so happy with how this flooring turned out. It was carpet before, and with the laminate, it just looks so much brighter, airier, cleaner, and we got rid of that old house smell that came with that old stinky carpet. Here is my leftover pile, just so you can see. This is like the width of the board when it comes in the package. The main reason I picked this particular laminate was because of the price. It's 99 cents a square foot, which you really won't find much cheaper than that unless you want to go with like Lumber Liquidators, which I did not because of all their crazy negative press they've had recently. Normally, I might be hesitant about purchasing something that was like a bargain basement price, but this particular type of laminate actually came recommended by a contractor that we worked with on our bathroom project. He said it's great for the price, and he has seen it hold up really well, so I trusted his opinion. We have a dog. Hey, Bo. Hey. He's sad because he had to go to the vet today. But anyways, we have a dog and two cats. So our contractor particularly told me that this laminate is good for pets. He said he put it in a house that had a dog, and he came back a year later and it was still in great condition, not scratched up or anything like that. As far as the installation aspect, I really had no idea what to expect. This was my first experience with laminate. All I knew is that people told me like, oh, any idiot can do it. So I thought I could take it on. As you can see, I did do it, but it was not as easy as people made it seem. I think this was more because of the condition of my floors previously, more than the product. The product was great, but my floors were in pretty crazy condition underneath the carpet. Some had vinyl on top, some were the wood subfloor. There was nails, staples, all sorts of unevenness all over the place. So I had to deal with all of that before I could start even laying the laminate. But once I got all the tear out done, the laminate installation itself was very easy. The Style Selections, it seemed to compare to what I've seen online from other pricier brands when it comes to how easy it was to install. I'm picking up a little small piece here, like a scrap, just so it's easier to show you, but it has this groove type of edge. So the pieces just lock into each other, one to the next. If you're looking into laminate, I'm sure you know this is how it works. It worked pretty much just like you would expect, one piece locked into the next. And it did take a little bit of muscle with the installation kit, that rubber mallet, to get some of the boards to go together. But once you pounded them together, they snapped into place nicely. I would say one thing to be aware of is that some of the boards might not fit together perfectly at first. That happened for me in the first room. I did our bedroom first, and some of them were like having gaps between the boards. And I thought, oh crap, it's because I got this cheap kind of laminate that they're warped, they're not gonna fit together. But that wasn't the case. Once I learned and got comfortable using that mallet and the little, the tool that you use to hammer the boards closer together, and I got consistent with doing that from each board to the next, they really did snap together nicely. Let me show you one of the transitions. Please excuse any dog hair you see here, but you see from a little further away, you can barely see the transitions, and then when you get closer, it's a nice seamless fit from one board to the next. It looks really great when you look at the whole floor. All in all, I am super happy with this floor. Is it the nicest, most fancy laminate flooring there is? No, but for 99 cents a square foot, we were able to do pretty much our entire house for under 2,000 bucks, and it looks a million times better than the old shabby carpet. So this product, the Style Selections laminate, we got ours at Lowe's, gets 2 thumbs up from me. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so I can keep on making more videos as we redo more of our house and do more projects to spruce it up. Thanks for watching.